When people get to walk in, kick the tires, touch, see, feel, bang on the walls, they realize that this is a structure that's going to last twice as long as the structure that would have been built just with sticks. My name's Adrian Broadhurst. I'm the proud distributor of ZS2 Technologies here in Medford, Oregon. Today was focused on educating builders and those interested in learning more about the building materials featured in this project. The decision to build with TechPanels was easy. We looked all over for a fire-resilient structural insulated panel that was energy efficient and really focuses on the reduction of on-site labor. These fall right in line with the best practices for the wildland-urban interface. They reduce insurance, and nothing really like it exists anywhere else, and it was a perfect deployment opportunity.
Oregon, it's in a high fire zone. High fire, high mold, and high water tables. And so having a TechPanel application here for fire, mold, water is a better application than using wood frame products. And so high resiliency to those situations.
We already have jurisdictions calling us, wanting us to do affordable housing in their community. And they're really excited because they're seeing that we are a quickly deployable solution. Just here locally, the 2020 wildfires, we lost 2,500 homes. So if you stack that on top of the fact that they're already compounding behind the curve and normal construction can't keep up at all, prefabricated, whether it's component or structure, is really the only identified and agreed upon way to be able to meet the demand.